In this video, we'll explore the names of Lunar New Year flowers and Valentine's Day bouquets. I'll read them aloud for you. Want to grab some fresh cuts? You can download them from my Patreon. Just click the link in the description below. Hey there, I'm Hong. With a master's in teaching Chinese as a foreign language and 9 years of experience, I'm excited to share video lessons with you. Don't forget to subscribe for more! Lunar New Year flowers. 年花，年花，年花。牡丹，牡丹。百合，百合。蝴蝶蘭，蝴蝶蘭。銀柳，銀柳。萬壽菊，萬壽菊。劍蘭，劍蘭。水仙，水仙。桃花，桃花。富貴竹，富貴竹。桔，桔。Valentine's Day bouquets， 情人節花束。玫瑰，玫瑰。滿天星，滿天星。鬱金香，鬱金香。洋桔梗，洋桔梗。繡球花，繡球花。百合，百合。山茶花，山茶花。棉花，棉花。薰衣草，薰衣草。向日葵，向日葵。西蘭花，西蘭花。豆腐花，豆腐花。I'm Hong, your guide to learning Cantonese in English. This channel has fresh Cantonese content coming your way, so hit that subscribe button. And if you're keen to learn independently, find the teaching materials on my Patreon. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, comment, and share it with friends. Let's spread the love for Cantonese. Your support means the world. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to download from my Patreon. Bye bye.